Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let us see how to print the star pattern for Sierpinski triangle in C language. Before that, let us understand the Sierpinski triangle. I have taken size equal to 4. Here size is nothing but the number of rows for this triangle. For a size of 4, we have a triangle with star pattern as displayed in the screen. Now the next order Sierpinski is of size equal to 8, which as mentioned shall be formed with 8 rows. And we can see uh, the triangle formed when size equal to 4 is at the top, and that same is placed at left and right of the size 4 Sierpinski triangle, which together forms a triangle of size 8. And the next order for the Sierpinski triangle is size equal to 16. Now we will make a simple algorithm which shall help to display the Sierpinski triangle by just giving size as its input. For that, let us come back to our Sierpinski triangle of size 4. As mentioned, size represents number of rows in this triangle. We know that value for a variable in C shall start with the 0. So, for a size of 4, the row value shall range from 0 to 3. That is 4 values ranging from 0 to 3. Let us take the highest value at first, that is row 3, decrement to row 2, next one is again decremented row 1, and the last one is 0. So row starts with the highest value and then decremented until 0. Here the size is 4, that is 4 rows which ranges from 0 to 3. Similar to this, the column value shall be start at the first position of star here. So 0, then there is a space, again there is a star, then we have the star which continues for a value of 6. That is 0 to 6 column values are there which has 7 values. As we can observe, there is a star, there is a space, again star followed by space. So the maximum star is at 0th row with 4 stars with intervening space, resulting in 7 values ranging from 0 to 6. Now to implement the algorithm, there is simple 4-step which I will explain. This is very simple step. Step 1, each row shall be filled with the spaces equal to current row value. First let us take row 3. In row 3, first we have to fill with the space equal to the row value. That means fill with 3 spaces. The next step is when row equal to column value, initialize a variable x equal to 0. When row equal to column value, that is at 3, let us initialize x equal to 0 here and move to step 3. If x and with row is true, print double space. This is double space. Otherwise, print star followed by space. So here we have initialized x equal to 0 as per step 2. Now 0 and with row equal to 3. 0 and with 3 is 0. So we have to print star followed by space here. And increment x value and repeat step 3 until x plus row is less than size. As we know here size equal to 4 and row is 3. Now when I increment x equal to 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, which is equal to the size of this serpentine triangle. So we will exit this loop and go for the next row. Next row is 2. So as per step 1, fill with 2 spaces, and when row equal to column, that is value is 2, initialize x equal to 0. Now x and with the row, that is 2, is 0. So we have to fill star and space. Now we are in this position. Increment x, so x equal to 1. 1 and with 2 is again 0. So again print a star followed by space here. Now when we increment x, it takes the value of 1. Sorry, it takes the value of 2. 2 plus a row value is equal to 4, which is equal to which is not less than the size. So we will move on to the next row, and as per step 1, fill with 1 space, increment x equal to 0, x and with a row results in false. So print star followed by 0, increment x equal to 1 and row equal to 1. So 1 and with 1 is true. So here we are filling with 2 space. Now on incrementing x equal to 2, 2 and with 1 is 0, hence print star followed by space. Again incrementing x, we will exit because x plus row is not less than size. Similarly, we will get this pattern when row is 0. Now with this 4 steps, let us go and implement our C language. So we need 3 variables, row, I is to fill the space until the column value matches to the current row value, and we need an x value also. Also a variable size, which will take the number of rows we will provide for drawing the Sierpinski triangle. First we will get that minimum order, so 4 shall be its size. Now the first one is start a for loop for row, and we will start a row with size minus 4. As we remember, we started the row with 3 for the size of 4. So size minus 1, and continue until row is greater than or equal to 0. Decrement it. So at the end of each row, we want to have a new line statement. So let us have a printf and a new line statement. Now in each row, the step 1 is fill with the spaces equal to the current row value. So for I equal to 0, I less than the row value, we have to print space. So I'll have a space printed. When reaching row equal to the column value, we will initialize a variable as x equal to 0. So initialize variable x equal to 0 when row equal to column value, and we will increment x value until x plus row is less than size. So this is important one. We will increment x only until x plus row is less than the size. And here we will do a check to print star or space. For that, print x and with row. If x and with row is true, we have to print two space. Otherwise, we have to print a star and a space. As we see in step 3 of our algorithm, if x and row is true, then print two space. Otherwise, print a star followed by a space. And step 3 shall be repeated until x plus row is less than size. So this if check is x plus row is less than the size, and if x and row is false, print star followed by space. If x and row is true, print two spaces. Now let us try to execute our code. I gave size as 4, so we got the first order Sierpinski triangle printed as a star pattern. Let us move to the next order, that is 8, and execute it. Yes, we got the Sierpinski triangle star pattern for size 8. Let us also go further for 16. Size of 16, which forms a Sierpinski triangle with 16 rows. And let me run this code. I didn't save it. Let me once again run. We got our logic perfectly working for these to print the Sierpinski star pattern. We can also go further to 32 size to print the Sierpinski triangle. Let me execute it. This is the star pattern for Sierpinski triangle of size 32. Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have not subscribed, please click like and provide your comments in the comment section.